Hi everybody, what we got here now, it's a sound detector, so it picks up any vibration sound. You can see, and it's bringing the value on the screen, and you can see when you talk as well, it varies. And we got an OLED screen, an Arduino Nano, and it's a pretty interesting sensor. You can regulate it here. You can see when I move the potential meters in the sensor, changes the value. The best is to put it close to when the lights start to flash. Hello, 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 and you can hear me. Okay, this is just to show how it works. You can also change the text setting. You can also program maybe a bar that moves ups and down. Instead of having the value in numbers, you can have a geometric value, or you can make like a bar or graphic, whatever you wish. But it's interesting little sound detector. In any case, thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, give me a thumb up. Thank you, bye.